Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vase here and today we are going to unbox the Oppo F11 Pro. So here is the box, let's just unbox it. So let me just open the seal. Okay, removing the back plastic, and here it is, Oppo. It will contain your manual, and here is the F11 Pro itself. So here it is, this is the sapphire black color version. Let me just set it up. It's powering on. Oppo, powered by Android. So here we have our manuals. I have set it up the phone. You can see its charging is low. Let me open the camera. It's on 1x for now. Here you can see the back camera of the F11 Pro, and here is the pop-up front camera. You saw that the front camera popped up, and here is the result of the front camera. So let me show its specification. I'm going to go to settings, about phone, and it has 6 GB of RAM and it has a total storage of 128 GB. So this was a quick unboxing of the F11 Pro.